Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. My name is Ross and this is a Subaru Forester from 2023. Now in this video I'm going to show you a little hidden feature on the car that actually allows you to unlock the fuel filler cap if the lock-in solenoid is broken. Now on these cars, a lot of electronics, really good feature that it's electronically locked like most cars are nowadays, but unfortunately being a solenoid they do sometimes break, so they have to build in a fail-safe. And we've also got one of these on the boot lid as well, and I may make another video on that. So what I'm going to show you is just the location of this, but now because the solenoid isn't broken on this car, it's not actually locked and I can't lock the car because I need the boot open, so a little bit of a complexity there, but I'm just going to show you where it is if you're in the need to operate it. So as you can see, I've already got the boot lid open. And what we're going to do is we're just going to get a flat screwdriver. It doesn't need to be anything special, just something like that. Now this is actually the screwdriver from inside your trunk here, so if you need to use that, just go ahead and get that. Now on the back here we've got our seat release button here, and we've got these two hooks, and you'll notice this one is actually on its own little bit of plastic. So what we're going to do is get our flat screwdriver, pop it in here and also pop it in here, and there's just a couple of clips on the bottom of it like that, and it allows you to take that off. Now when you look inside the hole here, you can actually see this bright orange lever. So what you can do is unhook that, you can just give that a bit of a tug and you can hear it operating. That's pulling the lock open, so the fuel filler cap can actually open. So you just need to pull that and then you should be able to go around and actually open up that fuel filler cap. And then once you're done, we're obviously going to pop that hook back on, and then it's safe and secure. So I hope you found this video interesting or helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.